I'm going to use our new Welcome Fall stamp set. It is a super cute scene on a front porch or an entryway. And then I'm going to have this super cute little squirrel holding a latte cup peeking out from the scene here. And then I love the sentiments: thankful, blessed, pumpkin obsessed. Pumpkin spice is my favorite season, and welcome fall. I'm going to stamp out pumpkin spice is my favorite season with the squirrel on top of the sentiment. We're going to mask the squirrel out and then stamp out our scene. Super, super cute. I don't think I need to stamp it twice. Okay, let's add our mask. Okay, that looks good. Now we can remove the mask. And there's my cute little squirrel popping up to say hi. Isn't that cute? The rest of the card is just coloring, so use any medium you wish, and then you have a really cute scene on your card. So I hope you enjoy the stamp set. This stamp set is part of our fall box of the month. It's available right now until supplies last. I'll have the links in the description box. You can also get the stamp individually, so there's limited quantities on that. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or hit that bell for notifications. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.